Today we have the 2016 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just under 70,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio to the left, as well as media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can get a good view of our sunroof.